No. My question is directed to Dr. Juzong and Professor Wong Kok. Sir, if we talk of Asian Development Bank, we are looking at the impact. If the development of the society as such, and what we just read from our readings is that you measure the economic rate of return, and also reading says that these recessions have been because of a structural flaw in economics as such. And sir, as you said in the price war, that what is dependent, what is determining all this is a risk appetite. Now what we see is that even the economic rate of return and the risk appetite, these are more of estimates rather than actual quantifiable things. So what I'm asking in terms of structural economics is that are we even looking at the right things? As in we are trying to quantify everything by the impact money has on things. So are we even looking at the right quantifier? Am I able to make sense, sir?
Okay, we'll see if you did.
Okay, I think, are you talking about the project economic analysis we do, or cost-benefit analysis of investment projects? Are you talking about that?
So what I'm trying to say is that we are trying to measure everything through a basic quantifier, and that quantifier is money.
Mm-hmm.
So now that we are saying that money is the basic quantifier, then we start to estimate, and these estimates means even if we look at the new lens of contract, as Sneha mentioned earlier, transaction cost economics, or what sir is saying, that we still don't have the right tool to measure the risk, the risk which will determine things. Or even in the recent recession, it was sparked off by speculation. Now these things are more what I see, sir, are more intangible, or cannot be directly quantified by money. So what I'm asking is money the basic quantifier, or are we even looking at this structural economics in the right kind of way?
Okay, I get you. I think there are two issues here. One is you're talking about the impacts which maybe cannot be quantified in monetary term. For instance, the environmental costs, the health costs of climate change, for instance, right? So the CO2 emissions, then they cannot quantify in monetary term. Another issue you talk about is the risk and uncertainty in terms of quantify these benefits or costs ex ante. But I think there are well-developed methods to deal with the kind of issues, and we have guidelines on how to do this, and then there are many textbooks. We can certainly, if you have any question, we can certainly provide with information. Thank you.